Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your more like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let's start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames here. So friends here, first of all, I would like to discuss with you that how we have seen a steep fall in natural gas prices. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a stiff resistance at $9.4 during this month of September, and from here a steep fall is still continue where the natural gas futures have finally found some support at the 9 days moving average in the monthly time frame, and from here some reversal was seen on the last Friday, but here I find that still this fall could continue during the upcoming week where the next support can be seen at the lows of $6.3, and here I find that if the natural gas futures find a monthly closing well below this level, we will see this fall to continue where the next target could be the 26 days moving average in a monthly time frame, which is currently at the lows of $5.900. So friends here I find that volatility could be higher during the upcoming week as the hedge funds test out to exit energy positions last week. This resulted in the steep fall in crude oil futures and the natural gas, as here I find that the natural gas futures could continue to see volatility, as once again we could find return of the hedge funds. If they find the situation in their favor, they could return back, but country the growing uncertainty could keep this downward trend continue. So friends, now let us check this move in a weekly time frame. So here in the weekly time frame here you can see that how we have seen a steep fall after testing a high by the natural gas futures on August 23rd, when the natural gas futures tested a peak at $10.005. This resulted in a sharp sell-off during that week and finally formed an exhaustive candle here. That was followed by a bearish candle that confirmed the continuity of a sharp slide, and here you can see that how we have seen this slide to continue during the last 5 weeks, and here you can see that how we have seen a big down well below the 26 days moving average in a weekly time frame, and finally the natural gas futures closed last week at the last $6.860 after testing a high at the last $8.123 and a low at the last $6.741. Finally, the natural gas futures closed the last week at the last $6.860. So here I find that the natural gas futures have entered in a bearish territory in a weekly time frame. Here I find that the immediate resistance will be at the last $7.407, and the next resistance will be at the last $7.630. So friends, here I find that any upward move well above the levels of $7.407 will provide a good opportunity to go short. Here I find that the natural gas futures could continue to slide during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week the natural gas futures could trade from the levels of $7.407 to $6.280 on the low side. So this will be the trading range for the upcoming week for natural gas futures. And here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to hold the immediate support at the level of $6.476, we'll see this fall to continue, where the next support can be seen at the level of $6.280. But the old trend could remain extremely bearish as the hedge funds test to exit energy positions last week. This resulted in the sharp fall to continue during the last week. So friends, now let us check this position in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, as I have already explained in my last video, that the formation of this bearish crossover resulted in a sharp slide in natural gas futures in the daily time frame. So here in the daily time frame here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance well above the $9. After the formation of this bearish crossover, we have seen a sharp sell-off well above the levels of $9. No doubt the natural gas futures found some support on September 7th at the upper end of HMF cloud, and from here once again on September 12th the natural gas futures started to move upward and finally tested a high at the levels of 9.216. But here you can see that how on September 15th the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of 9.120, and from here natural gas futures continued this downward trend up to last Friday when the natural gas futures have tested a low at the levels of 6.741 before closing the day at the lows of 6.860. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week well with a gap down opening, here I find that the natural gas futures could find an immediate support at the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the lows of 6.5. But here a big down well below this level will continue this downward trend, where the next support can be seen at the levels of 5.321, from where we could find some bounce back because currently the natural gas futures are trading well below the low end of HMF cloud. As I explained in my last video that a big down could be seen during this week well below the low end of HMF cloud in a daily time frame, and we have seen this big down, and this big down could drag down the natural gas futures well below the 200 days moving average, because here I find that the deep pocketed hedge funds have gone out of the market, especially the energy futures. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could retest this support once again, from where the natural gas futures started an uptrend on July 5th 2022. Once again this level can be seen during the upcoming week, and here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend this support, we'll see this fall to continue, where the next major support can be seen at the levels of 4.930, from where a sharp bouncing move can be seen. So friends, now let's check the movements of crude oil futures. So friends, here in the weekly time frame, here you can see that how continued to find sell off well above the levels of 107 after the formation of this bearish crossover when the 9 days moving average closed below the 26 days moving average in July 2022. Since then, we have seen a steep fall to continue in crude oil futures, where the crude oil futures have finally closed last week well at the lows of 79.28. This is the level from where an uptrend started in crude oil futures. Since the beginning of this year, we witnessed the WTI Crude futures started an uptrend from this level. So here you can see that how the crude oil futures are struggling to defend this immediate support at $77. So friends, here I find that if the crude oil futures are not able to defend this immediate support at $77.20, we'll see this downward trend to continue up to the 200 days moving average, which is currently at $63.20, from where some bounce back can be seen. So friends, now let's check this move in a daily time frame here. So here in a daily time frame here, you can see that how the crude oil futures are currently trading well below the 200 days moving average, and here after the formation of this bearish crossover, you can see that how the crude oil futures have found a sharp sell-off well below this level, and here I find that if the crude oil futures start the upcoming week well below the immediate support at the level of 76, we could find a steep sell-off to continue, where the next support can be seen at the levels of 66.60. So friends, here I find that the crude oil futures could find some bounce back from the levels of 62.45 during the upcoming week, but here I find that the upside could be limited well at the levels of 84. So friends, here I find that WTI Crude futures could find stiff resistance at the immediate resistance at the levels of 86.44, and the next resistance can be seen at the levels of 88.43, and here a breakout well above this level will attract bears to go short from this level that could drag down the crude oil futures well up to the last order 76. So friends, here overall trend could remain extremely volatile as the climate change is fueling hurricanes. So friends, now let us discuss the current position of hurricanes. Friends, here you can see the current position of Hurricane Fiona that resulted great damage. And here the next hurricane will be Gaston, and the tropical 9 that is about to turn into hurricane that would impact the Gulf of Mexico, where most of the production sites are located. So that could result in power supply disruption and natural gas production disruptions. But on the other hand, if these hurricanes found some diversion in their direction, we'll see lesser impact of these hurricanes. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.